Hi, and welcome to Neodoesmakeup. I'm Neo, and today this animakup look and little mini-series for YouTubers is inspired by one topic at a time. If you're not familiar with One Topic, he is a content creator who mainly does Reddit videos where he goes through different parts of r slash you name it. And I actually found him because it was before I really like on TikTok. Like we're at the beginning of everything. And there were LGBT TikTok compilations and it led to r slash LGBT from OT, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'll watch it. Next thing you know, I'm like watching them back to back to back to back, and this was before he had the face reveal. And I just really enjoyed his content because it was so heartwarming, inviting, and just made me feel okay. And it led for me finding others like The Click, who is going to be part of this week, Human One, and a few other content creators that I really enjoy. And after the Heartstopper week, I felt confident enough in one of the styles I did. I was like, okay, you know what? We're going to do that for OT. I struggled today because of the palette I chose. I am concerned with the other ones. But I was like, you know what? We're going to go with the purple, we're going to go with the blue. For obvious reasons, aside from the blue hair. Like, I was like, maybe I can get blue hair, but I'm like, I'm not doing that. I'm not going to dye my hair for video right now, because I'm trying to let my hair grow out and be a natural color for a while and be healthy. But, yeah, OT's led me to a lot of content creators I really enjoy. Like I said, him, Click, Human One. There was Sad Milk, but that's no longer around, so that's sad. Illuminati, aka Blair. Oz, who is chaotic in the best way. And so I wanted to just do a little 3-day event of 3 of my favorites who inspire me, are just down to earth and really good people. And I hope that they appreciate that they can see how much they inspired us. Because this, again, it was a little bit of a struggle. Not even a little bit, it was a struggle, but we powered through. And I just want OT to know that I'm so grateful that he produces content and that he has the fan support that he does, because honestly, it's incredible to see it. I'm going to quit rambling though, because I know you're probably like, okay, this is 3 minutes in and we're still in that no tutorial. So I'm gonna shut up. If you want to see how I create this look, keep on watching. Logo! Okay, so let's get started. I already did prime using my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer, and I did set using War Song from the Ulta Beauty and Thor Love and Thunder palette for Valkyrie, using this palette today, and this is technically attempt 2.5, because attempt 1 did not go how planned. Attempt 2, I was able to get the right idea, but I was like, I want them both to look exactly the same, so I'm like, okay, we're going to take both off. Oh my. So the first shade we're going to dip into is Throne. The Throne. We're going to place that high above my natural crease, and then also on the outer third. Now I'm going to dip lightly into this right here, which is King of Asgard. I'm going to place that right on top of the throne and help these start blending out. Like I said, really lightly on that one, because I know this next shade is the main one I want, but for that nicer transition I needed to have that. And the next shade we're going to dip into is Your Majesty, which I will say, this is one you have to build it up. It does not give a lot of pigment right away. I found that out the first try. Okay, so that's looking really nice. I'm actually going to real quickly cut my crease using the NYX Ultimate Paint. This is in Fly the Flag. And then I'm going to set that actually using Dragon Bay, which is this nice metallic blue. Let's see, how do they describe it? Aqua Shimmer. Oh, okay. I'm going to do that. My camera is dying on me for some reason, even though it's been charging. So I'm going to do that. I don't know when this is going to cut off, but we're just going to do it. I'm going to just redefine some parts, and then we're going to be right back. I'm going to have my full face on, and we're going to take care of the under eyes, because I can tell this thing's about to die again. We are back. We're going to take care of the under eyes now, which, by the way, I just have to say, I'm loving how this is turning out. We're going to keep it going. Mainly the same colors underneath. Okay, we're going to do that on this side and be right back. I actually did take care of my liner, which I just had disappear on me. This is the NYX Blue Teddy liner from La Casa de Papel. So this is a collaboration for the holidays. We're gonna roll with it. For lipstick today, I actually want to use Androgyny because I feel like it's just warm enough to ground everything that we had that's so cool up top. I will say that blue, not it. But I did try, and we're gonna take Androgyny and fill in the lips. Yeah, I like that. Okay. I am very tempted to add on this gloss. This is Mermaid Tights, right? Mermaid Thighs from Fenty. There's a limited edition one, but I love this color. Why not? If not, I can always just like take it off. I'm not liking the gloss. I like the initial look, but it's not looking pretty. Let me phrase that. It's not sitting pretty. So I'm going to take that off and then we're going to be right back. So I'm dumb and I forgot to take care of my inner corner. I'm actually going to take, this is Affirmation from REM. And we're going to put that in the inner corner. Okay, that's not adding the effect I wanted, so real quickly, I'm going to take one of the highlighters from the, oh my gosh, I can't remember the name, Northern Lights Supreme Frost Palette. It's going to be called Thawed Out. I'll place that on top. Now I'm going to set my face and we'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the final look, and I have to say, this was a lot more dramatic than I originally wanted to go. That being said though, she is pretty. Real quickly, I just want to say, For my first time using something from Ulta brand, I am concerned. I mean, like, they blend pretty well. That shimmer is stunning. Then again, I put on a blue base underneath it, so that way it could really, like, be popping. The purple is fading already. That plum. The blue disappears. Because, I mean, like, I was able to turn something with it, but, like, this was a struggle, which I'm sad. But overall, I really do like this look. I keep looking in my little viewfinder. I should just get my mirror back. I keep looking, I'm like, okay, this though is like really pretty. I know my mom would be like, oh, that is dramatic, that is dark. I'd be like, yeah, this is borderline drag, which in some ways kind of fits OT, which I'm not sure if you notice little OTs behind me. You have Angry OT and Classic OT. I love these. I may or may not have some for another video this week. Yeah, overall, I do like this look. Is she perfect? No. Do I feel like she pays homage to OT? Yeah. Yeah, I really do like it. I did wish I had more of the pink on the inner corner because, like, I know OT steals pink every now and again. That's why I wanted to go with some more pinky purple on the lip. And you know what? I really do like that lip. Yeah. So overall, I like this. Would I use that palette again? I don't know. Because I also just got the Thor, like the larger one, and now I'm really concerned because, like, this was a struggle. I mean, you missed the first 2 tries, which originally purple up in the crease, and I was going to do like a blue liner. Think of what I did for Alice Oseman, but like blue and purple. And yeah, no, they weren't working, so it's like, if they weren't going to work, I was going to switch over to like the Surge palette and pray to get it right if this one flunked. But we got her here, we're good, we good. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling, but I again want to thank you, OT, because you really do bring a light to some of my days when I need it. And I'm so grateful for some of the content creators that I've been able to find through you, because they also brighten my day. And I'm always happy whenever I see something from you. I could get emotional, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to hop off. If you did like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I see a video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!